Good morning everyone. This is Indra. Welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to solve some questions related with the bearing, related with compass bearing as well as the true bearing or three-figure bearing. Please watch this video till the end. Okay, here first of all let's have a look on this first question. Here the first question is draw compass bearing. We are going to draw compass bearing, and the bearing is here given n 50 degree w. N means north, 50 degree, w means towards west. We are going to make an angle of 50 degree from north pole towards w, towards west. Okay, and again we have to find out the true bearing. We have to find out the true bearing of that compass bearing, and here we can use the protractor. Okay, first of all let's solve this first question number A. Okay, here we have to first make these poles, north south poles, north south east west poles. First of all they will be perpendicular with each others. Okay, the first step is just drawing these north south east west pole. Okay, like this. And the second step is, okay, let's move to the second step. Second step is just making the compass bearing of n 50 degree. This means, what is the meaning of n 50 degree w? N means north. From north we have to go 50 degree towards west. This means the meaning of this. Okay, let me just highlight this. Okay, the meaning of n. Okay, the meaning of n 50 degree w is from north pole we have to go 50 degree towards west pole. Okay, so let's make an angle of 50 degree from north pole towards west. Okay, let me use the protractor. We can use the protractor to measure the angle, to make the angle here. Okay, and we have to make an angle of 50 degree. Okay, first of all let's okay, we have to make an angle of 50 degree from north pole towards the west. Okay, let me just make. So the baseline of this protractor should be coincide with the north pole. Okay, here this is the setting, this is the way of putting the protractor here. From north pole, from this north pole we have to go in the direction towards the west. Okay, let me just use the pen tool. From this north pole, okay, from this north pole we have to go in this direction. Okay, let me show the path by using the pencil tool. Okay, from this north pole we have to go in these directions towards the west. This is the meaning of this. From north pole we have to go 50 degree towards west. Okay, here in this direction, along these directions we have to go 50 degree. Okay, let me just make an angle of 50 degree here. First of all let's mark the point at the 50 degree, 0, 10, 20, and where is the 50 degree? Okay, with the north pole, this is 50 degree. Okay, and let me just join these two points. Let me make the size of this point little bit large. Okay, this point, this is the point which is at the 50 degree, from north pole. Okay, and let me remove this protector and let's join. We have to join this point to the reference point. Here the reference point is O, and we can let me write here, this is the line which is and this is the line of this is the line having the compass bearing of an 50-degree W. From North Pole, the meaning of this is from North Pole we have to go 50-degree towards west. This angle is exactly 50-degree. Okay, let me write here. Let me type here. This angle is just 50-degree. Okay, 50-degree. Okay, this angle is exactly 50-degree, and we have to move towards the west. This is the first part of this drawing. Just draw this compass bearing, and the second part of this question is find the true bearing of that compass bearing. We have to find out the true bearing, and remember that true bearing is just the bearing we have to measure from the north pole, in clockwise directions. Okay, let's move from this north pole in clockwise directions to this line. Okay, along we have to measure this angle, and we can easily say that this angle is just total angle is 360-degree, so the angle will be 360-degree minus this angle 50-degree. Okay, so this will be the this value will be the true bearing value, or we can say for true bearing it is also called the three-figure bearing. The true bearing of that compass bearing is here just calculated as 360-degree minus 50-degree. This will be just 310-degree. This will be 310-degree. Okay. Let me remove the unnecessary parts here. Okay, this is the answer. The true bearing is just 310-degree of that. Or true bearing is also called as the three-figure bearing, because here we need the 3 digits to write to express the angle. Okay, this is the total solution of this first question A number, and the question, let's solve the next question B number. Here we have to draw the compass bearing of S 50-degree E. What is the meaning of S 50-degree E? From pole we have to move 50-degree towards east. Okay, let's make the angle. We have to go from the south pole. Okay, from the south pole we have to go to the 50-degree towards east. Okay, let me mark that point at the 50-degree. Okay, 40-degree, just 10, 20, 30, 40, and this is just 50-degree. Okay, here I have marked the point, and let me just connect these points to the reference point. Here the reference point is point O. Here, this is the point. This blue color point is the point which makes that lines makes an angle of 50-degree, with south pole, towards east. Okay, let me write here this angle. This is just the 50-degree angle. This is 50-degree angle. Let me just type here. And this is the point which has the compass bearing of S 50-degree towards east. Okay, this is the answer of the first part of this question. And here the next question is find the true bearing of that compass bearing. We have to find out the true bearing also. And the true bearing means we have to measure the angle. It is just the angle from the north pole in clockwise directions. Okay, from north pole we have to move clockwise directions to meet that line. Okay, and this angle is just the true bearing of that point. Okay, and here the total angle is this straight angle is 180 degree, and here the 50 degree is covered. So the remaining angle, this angle will be 180 degree minus 50 degree, just 130 degree. Okay, so we can say that the true bearing, let me write here, true bearing of that point, of that is just total angle is 180 degree, 180 degree minus 50 degree, that will give just 130 degree. Okay, that angle should be written in 3 figures. Here the 130 already in 3 figures, or already in 3 digits, so it is also called as a 3-figure bearing. True bearing is also called as the 3-figure bearing. Okay, here we have solved these questions by the basic concept of compass bearing as well as the true bearing. In our next video, we will discuss more about such types of the questions. Please keep watching, keep loving this channel, and don't forget to subscribe this. And if you have any feedback, you can post on the comment box. This was for today. Thank you all of you.